Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video we will talk about the new version of Dynamics 365 Business Central which Microsoft is about to release next month in the first week. Right, so just like to inform you that the preview version is now available for Saas and for Docker as well. So I have currently opened up this Business Central online admin center, and through here you can see here that currently I have two sandbox environments running and one production environment running in this current version, and the available update version is you can see as well 25.5, which is now released. But let's say if you really wants to try your hands on the new uh, upcoming version of the Business Central, which is Dynamics 365 Business Central 2025 Release Wave 1. It's a big name, or you can say BC26. Right, so let's click on New button, and what we will do that we will try to create a new sandbox environment and try to see that if this new version 26 is available or not. So let's say I name it as AU sandbox, country I'll select as AU, and now you can see that by default system is suggesting me 25.5, which is the latest current stable one. Okay, however if I click on this, so you can see here 26.0, which is in the preview mode. Right, so if I select this, that means, and I can click on create. Okay, our sandbox on a preview versions are intended only for testing and review of features coming in the next release. Right, so as I'm telling you that it is not the current version, it's a next release which Microsoft will release in the first week of April. So they are allowing us to create a sandbox environment to review the new features which they are releasing, and plus testing of your current apps if they are compatible enough with that or not. Okay, the environment cannot be updated to a production version. It must remain in preview until it is deleted. Right, so quite clear instructions Microsoft is giving to us when we are trying to create a sandbox environment. But yes, one thing is sure, that we can now try our hands, we can see, we can use it, we can try the new features which Microsoft is releasing in the Business Central online SaaS versions. So if you have the license, if you own the license of Business Central SaaS, or if you are using a trial version of BC SaaS, then I suggest you to head on to the admin center and create a new sandbox environment for BC26 and start using the new features and the upcoming version. If you are not the user of BC SaaS and you want to go ahead with your local system and Docker, then I think Docker will come and help you in that part. So I will not create a Docker container and show you up that, because it will take bit of time, but I'll show you a command through which you can check, and then you can basically spin up a new Docker container. So if you see this first command which I run, which is called get-bc artifact URL. So this is the basic command of BC container helper module. If that module is not available, then you have to first install. Like I can write down BC container helper. So this is the module name. You must have to install in your PowerShell in your local system. Then only you will be able to run this command, and then obviously you can create a new Business Central container as well. So when I run this command and I pass this parameter called type as sandbox and select as current, which means whatever the current version of BC is running. So you can see here that the output it is giving me is 25.530849. Right, so as I can show you up as well, here as well 30849. So similar to what SAS is showing to me as available update version 30849 31109. this this last number is different, but yes, majorly it is showing me 25.5 as the current one for W1. Then if you really want to see this latest one, then also you can see that the version is quite same. So does not matter if you want to create a container with this select as current, then also it will spin up a same version, or the latest, then also it will spin up a same version container. Now, interesting thing is about the next minor and major. Although 26 is gonna release next month, but because we are in already in the March month, and in April they will release a major version which is 26. So that's why now 26, although you can see when I run this command I got this error because I forgot to add this parameter except inside a EULA, because next minor and major can only be spin up when you pass this switch as well. So when I pass this one, so you can see that 26.0. So after 25.5, which is the current month version, next month they're gonna release 26.0, and that is what it is. Now Microsoft is treating as a next minor as well. And if I show you in the Saas 30643 and 31063, a little bit different, 31680 here, but still third number it's same, right? So you can see here that if you want to create a Docker container for next minor version, then be cautious, it is 26.0 only. And the interesting thing, this last one, select next major, which means the next version after 26 which Microsoft will release a next major is 27. But somehow at this stage today it is showing me 26.0 only. So next minor is also same version, next major is also same version in the Docker. So don't expect 27 at the moment. Maybe by next week, or maybe from first week of April, 27 will become the next major. But so far, next minor is 26.0, next major is 26.0. So if you're not if you don't own the license, if you don't have the environment, Saas environment, then feel free to install this BC container helper module and create a new Docker container using get BC artifact URL and select as next major or next minor. So with this, system will spin up a new BC container for 26 version, and then you can try learning the new features which Microsoft is releasing. So that's it in today's video. So I just wanted to share this information with you that 26 is about to release, and preview version is already available with us in the Docker and in the Saas. So start using it and get yourself comfortable with the upcoming version of the PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel.